Are you earning enough money? Do you think your current job is going to help you survive the current economic climate? How do you determine whether a job is good enough? You can do a simple check by calculating the amount of money left after paying your bills from your salary. If the amount left is not enough to last for the rest of the month, then you might probably have to find another job, just like myself. This is where the question comes in. Do you know which jobs pays well? You wouldn't think that the best paying jobs in Jamaica are in everyone's reach, but you might be surprised. It is worth having a look if some of these jobs might just be right up your alley. This is a compilation of 10 of the best paying jobs in Jamaica for 2017 that are not related to business or politics. Please note that the currency quoted in this video is Jamaican dollars.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Starting the list at number 10 is architecture. Architects design, plan and oversee the visual aspects of a building. They are the people that make buildings look great. They also make sure that buildings are practical and use techniques that reduce the cost involved in owning a building, such as electricity and water consumption. To make it in the industry, you need to be very creative and have a keen eye for detail. Design architects will earn an average of Jamaican $2,080,919 per year. Architects with more than 20 years experience will move on to better positions, such as becoming the CEOs of architectural firms. At number 9 is software engineers. A software engineer is tasked with designing and evaluating software and the systems that enable computers to perform their functions. They are also tasked with programming or coding. Software engineers basically instruct a computer how to perform a desired task. Your average software engineer earns about Jamaican $2,656,233 per year, but this figure rises sharply if you have experience and specialized training under your belt. At number 8 are airline pilots, co-pilots or flight engineers. Getting into the industry is very difficult. You need a lot of flying hours to become a qualified pilot for any big airline, unless you are willing to join the military. This is incredibly expensive and time consuming. Here, your pay changes drastically depending on your experience and credentials. Your average salary is Jamaican $3,338,338 per year, but qualified and experienced pilots in places like South Africa can expect to earn a lot more. Most airlines have a very high turnover rate, and you can demand a lot more money when you are being headhunted by bigger airlines. At number 7 are accountants and auditors. Tasked with examining and preparing the financial records of the company, auditing and accounting positions are one of the best paying jobs in Jamaica. Accountants and auditors are responsible for ensuring these records are accurate and up to date. Accountants and auditors are often kept on retainer for large corporations and organizations to manage their finances full-time. These professions most often require a degree in accounting or related field, as well as numerous courses depending on the specialization. Your average auditor will bring in about Jamaican $4,271,626 per annum. At number 6 are doctors and specialists. Being one of the top paying jobs in Jamaica, the salary range for doctors changes greatly based on the medical field you want to pursue. Neurosurgeons, for example, often are the higher end of the earning spectrum, while a general practitioner would be at the lower end. It is known as a very lucrative position by most. The many years of schooling and then the subsequent long working hours in public hospitals may deter some, but the rewards in the end greatly outweigh this. If you are passionate, caring and not scared of a little blood, you should look at becoming a doctor. Your average general practitioner earns about Jamaican $4,271,626 per year, but this figure skyrockets as you specialize. At number 5 are actuaries. An actuary is tasked with evaluating the financial impact of risk and uncertainty of a business or corporation. They will have a very strong background in asset management, liability management, business know-how and analytical skills, as well as an intimate understanding of human behavior. Actuaries can be seen as the prophets of a company. They have to predict what impacts events will have on businesses, everything from declines in the economy to natural disasters. This job is very stressful and has a high responsibility because if you are wrong in your predictions, you will cost the company a lot of money. Actuaries in Jamaica can expect to earn around Jamaican $5,366,948 per year. At number 4 are petroleum engineers. If you want to follow this career path, then you need tremendous dedication and commitment because of the workload and amount of time taken to complete studies. Not only should you be dedicated, but you also have to be willing to travel to rural areas, as that is where the oil is normally located. It is a constantly changing industry with new opportunities emerging as new oil resources are discovered. The technology is also constantly evolving. If you like spontaneity in your work, then this could be the job for you. The current salary of a Jamaican petroleum engineer is in the region of $5,137,514 per year. At number 3 are air traffic controllers. Another one of the top paying jobs in Jamaica is an air traffic controller. Being an air traffic controller is one of the most stressful jobs in the world. A great amount of concentration is required to keep airways safe and diverting air traffic when needed. Air traffic controllers have to reroute both private and public aircrafts and ensure that aircrafts do not collide in midair. This has to be done in good or bad weather, and they are responsible for making sure landing is safe. On top of this, you are responsible if anything goes wrong. As a reward for this stressful working environment and risky work, air traffic controllers can expect to earn around $5,235,882 per year. At number 2 are computer and information systems managers. The technology era swept through the world beyond description. Every aspect of human life has been affected by technology. This has therefore brought a higher demand for competent IT professionals and managers. For those qualified with a Bachelor of Science degree and a Master of Science degrees, you could expect to earn a starting salary of $5,269,804 per year. Closing out the list at number 1 are lawyers. It is said that no individual or business organization are immune from being confronted with legalities that require expert legal understanding and advice. Due to this reason, lawyers are constantly in demand. Starting salary for qualified lawyers in Jamaica are between $5,774,233 to $5,877,972 annually. The more years of practice one has, the higher the salary. There is also a great deal of head hunting in this industry, as every law firm wants to have the best legal team possible. This really is one of the top paying jobs in Jamaica. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.